In 2026, the world of motorhomes is about to get an electrifying update with the introduction of the Mack motorhome Hellcat. This new entry into the world of luxury and adventure is a game changer. We all know that Mack trucks have a long-standing legacy of reliability, power, and durability. They've been a staple in the commercial trucking industry for decades, and now, they're about to make their mark in the recreational vehicle sector, blending performance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology in ways that have never been seen before. At first glance, the Hellcat stands out. It's not just another motorhome, it's a statement. The design takes cues from Mack's iconic Bulldog logo and powerful trucks, but with a more sleek, futuristic feel that's perfect for the open road. The body is crafted from lightweight, yet incredibly durable materials that ensure longevity and high performance without sacrificing aesthetics. The exterior is a testament to innovation, combining the ruggedness of a traditional Mack vehicle with the elegance and style of a modern luxury RV. One of the most notable features of the Hellcat is its engine. As the name suggests, it is powered by an engine that can only be described as beastly. Under the hood is a modified version of the Hellcat engine, known for its formidable power in the muscle car world. The 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine delivers mind-blowing horsepower and torque, allowing the Hellcat motorhome to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour faster than most cars, and certainly faster than any motorhome before it. With the Hellcat engine, you'll never be left behind, whether you're cruising on the highway or climbing steep hills in remote areas. But it's not just about raw power. The Hellcat is engineered to offer a smooth and controlled ride. Mack has integrated cutting-edge suspension technology into the motorhome's design, giving it the kind of stability and comfort you would expect from a premium luxury vehicle. This means less of that bouncy, rough ride you sometimes experience in other motorhomes, and more of a refined driving experience, whether you're navigating city streets or taking on the open road. And let's not forget about the all-wheel drive system, which ensures that no matter the terrain, the Hellcat can handle it with ease. Inside, the Hellcat is the epitome of luxury and modern design. Step inside, and you are greeted by an expansive, open floor plan that's both spacious and functional. The cabin is designed with a minimalist approach that incorporates the latest in smart home technology. The furniture is high-end, with plush seating and ergonomically designed layouts that make long trips a breeze. The Hellcat features a state-of-the-art infotainment system that includes a large, touch-sensitive display, voice controls, and full connectivity to your mobile devices. This means you can control everything from the lights and temperature to the entertainment system, all from the palm of your hand. The kitchen area is a chef's dream, featuring top-of-the-line appliances, including a full-size refrigerator, an induction stove, and a convection oven. The countertops are made from high-quality, easy-to-clean materials, and there's ample storage space for all your cooking essentials. If you love cooking on the road, this motorhome is designed to make your culinary experience as enjoyable as the destinations you'll visit. And don't forget about the dining area, which has been designed to be both functional and comfortable for family meals or entertaining guests. The sleeping quarters are equally impressive. The master bedroom offers a king-sized bed with premium linens, surrounded by large windows that offer panoramic views of the outside world. The design is meant to make you feel like you're staying in a 5-star hotel rather than a traditional motorhome. There's also an ensuite bathroom with a walk-in shower, a toilet, and a vanity with plenty of counter space. For additional guests, the Hellcat offers convertible sleeping arrangements, so you never have to worry about running out of space for family or friends. With high-quality mattresses and attention to detail, a good night's sleep is guaranteed, even when you're far from home. When it comes to power and sustainability, the Hellcat doesn't skimp. Equipped with a solar power system, the Hellcat allows you to live off the grid for extended periods of time without sacrificing comfort. The batteries are designed to keep everything running smoothly, from the air conditioning and lights to the entertainment system and kitchen appliances. Additionally, the Hellcat is designed to be highly fuel efficient, which means fewer stops at the pump and a longer range for your adventures. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country road trip or a weekend getaway, the Hellcat ensures that you'll be able to go the distance with ease. Of course, safety is always a top priority when it comes to any vehicle, and the Hellcat is no exception. Mack has included a wide array of advanced safety features to protect both the driver and passengers. These include lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system that provides a bird's-eye view of the surroundings. The Hellcat also comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems (ADAS) that can help prevent accidents and make your travels safer, no matter where you go. With these features, you can drive with peace of mind, knowing that you and your loved ones are protected at all times. One of the standout features of the Hellcat is its ability to be customized. Mack understands that every adventurer is different, and that's why they offer a wide range of options to tailor the motorhome to your personal preferences. From the exterior color and finishes to the interior layout and materials, you can create a motorhome that's truly one of a kind. Whether you prefer a more classic aesthetic or something more modern, the Hellcat offers a level of customization that ensures your RV experience is unique and personal. The Hellcat also integrates seamlessly with mobile technology. The entire motorhome can be controlled and monitored remotely through a mobile app, which gives you the ability to check everything from battery levels to temperature settings while you're away from the vehicle. This level of connectivity is perfect for those who want to keep track of their motorhome's status or make adjustments without having to physically be there. Plus, the app also allows for easy navigation, helping you find the best routes and campgrounds for your journey. While all of these features are fantastic on their own, what really makes the Hellcat stand out is the lifestyle it offers. Driving a Mack motorhome Hellcat isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about the journey itself. With its high-performance engine, advanced technology, and luxury interiors, the Hellcat is designed to elevate the experience of life on the road. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time traveler, this motorhome offers a level of comfort and adventure that few others can match. Imagine waking up to a breathtaking sunrise in the mountains, stepping out of your luxury motorhome, and feeling the cool morning air on your face. Or pulling into a quiet lakeside campground after a long day of driving, knowing you've got everything you need for a perfect evening. With the Hellcat, these moments are no longer a dream, they're a reality. In conclusion, the 2026 Mack motorhome Hellcat is more than just a motorhome. It's a new chapter in the world of recreational vehicles, combining the best of power, luxury, and technology into a single, awe-inspiring package. Whether you're looking for speed, comfort, or the freedom to explore the world around you, the Hellcat delivers it all. It represents the future of RVs, and it's a future that's about to change the way we think about life on the road. So, if you're ready to experience the ultimate in motorhome luxury and performance, the Mack Hellcat is waiting for you. The road is yours, and it's never been more exciting.